Tiyak na ang New Year's resolution ng marami sa atin maging healthy. Pero paano nga ba natin na masasustain at hindi katamaran ang pagpapaganda at pagpapalusog sa ating mga katawan? Alamin natin yan sa exercise physiologist at fitness trainer ng mga beauty queen, si John Kwai. Magandang umaga at Happy New Year, John.
Happy New Year. Yeah.
Okay, para sa kaalaman ng mga manonood, you were the trainer of Shamsi Supsup, Venus Ra, and then recently,
Tugonon,
2012 Miss Universe first runner-up, Janine Tugonon. Okay, so ano ba yung sikreto? At saka, well, first of all, gaano ba kahirap i-train ang isang beauty queen? Dahil magaganda na yung mga yan, ano? Sexy na yung mga yan eh. So, is it really that hard?
Siguro pagtingin natin sa kanila maganda na sila and everything. But if you really check out the proportions of their body, marami pa rin talagang mga unproportioned areas na kailangan natin itrabaho. So what I usually tell these girls is like, lose nyo muna lahat ng fats nyo and we're gonna work it from there. Kasi hindi mo magigauge kung may mga fats pa siya sa katawan. Hindi mo talaga magigauge kung ano talaga yung structure ng katawan niya.
Okay, in other words, no matter how beautiful a woman is, nobody's perfect.
Nobody's perfect, but we want to make it sure that, you know, every proportion there is there para makikita yung the right curves in their body.
Well, obviously, you've been doing a good job. So, kay Janine ba, you know, without going to some confidential details, pero ano ba yung naging susi sa kanya?
Walang problema kay Janine as far as proportion is concerned kasi proportion na siya. Kaya lang, when she won Binibining Pilipinas, malaki pa siya. She's a big bone girl.
Malaki in terms of?
Malaki as in, may proportion siya, pero malalaki yung muscles niya and there are always fats in her body. It's like, maganda naman yung distribution ng fats. So ang sinasabi ko sa kanya, kailangan ito magdisiplina talaga sa pagkain. As much as possible, we have to lose all the fats. Kaya, pukpukan yung exercises namin. So she was really doing weight training, a very extensive weight training, like a man weight training kind of thing, routine. So talaga nagbubuhat yun, na sobrang buhat talaga.
Okay, combination of diet and exercise. Okay, bago tayo pumunta sa exercise, what was her main diet during this
Her main diet, sinasabihan ko talaga sila na kailangan 80% is fruits and vegetables.
Okay.
20% yung protein. So bawal yung mga processed food, bawal yung may salt, bawal silang kumain sa labas. So everything talaga na kinakain nila.
No junk food.
No junk food.
Chips,
Totally.
wala na.
No. Kailangan alam nila kung sino yung gumagawa ng pagkain nila. Ganun yun.
Okay, talaga
para sigurado, para sigurado yung kinakain mo, it's really good for your body.
Okay, fruits and vegetables, any specifics there para ma-maximize yung effect ng that kind of diet?
I don't have any problems with fruits and vegetables.
Any kind.
Any kinds of fruits and vegetables. Kailangan lang i-vary mo lang yung pagkain mo para hindi ka maboboard.
Doesn't matter kung...
It has to be raw as much as you can. Kasi nandun pa yung enzymes.
Yung stewed vegetables, boiled vegetables, wag na. Mga sinigang vegetables.
Wala yun.
Salad, in other words.
Salad, with the right dressing.
Raw fruits and salads. Okay, well, karamihan naman sa atin, hindi naman nag-ambisyon maging beauty queen. No? So, gusto lang magpapayat dahil na nagdagdag ng calories. What is, and of course, people are looking for easy solutions. Let's start with the easy solution first. Ano ba dapat ang gawin? You know, you've gained a few pounds because, of course, there's a lot of overeating during the holidays. Now, people are thinking about, okay, gustong bumalik sa dati o gustong gumanda pa yung katawan sa 2013.
You gotta remember talaga na for you to lose weight, kailangan mas marami kang naboburn na calories more than what you put into your body. So nangyari na yun, ano? Like we've been binging from the holidays and all that. So ang gagawin na lang natin ngayon is to limit your calorie intake. Okay. You wanna make it sure na fresh fruits and vegetables lang kakainin mo kasi marami siyang fiber. And ngayon, na it's time for you to do penance from the decadence that you had, kailangan mo na talaga mag-workout. Kailangan mo na talaga, it's not necessarily working out going to a gym, ha? Kailangan increase mo lang talaga yung activities of daily living mo, yung mga physical na gagawin mo. Yun.
For those who are not gym members, meron naman mga pwedeng gawin sa bahay lang, di ba? Kahit maliit ang bahay, pwedeng, ano bang mga easy exercises sa bahay lang? Ang
sinasabi ko talaga palagi, na every exercises, kailangan mo, involve mo yung lahat ng mga muscles ng katawan mo. Like squats, full squats. Yung full squats kasi like when you know, we kind of like know what a squat is, no? Pero lahat ng muscles ng katawan na ginagamit mo yan eh. So like for example, these are called the compound exercises. Na in one move, one particular exercise, you are using every muscle of your body. Para ma-engage mo siya lahat, of course, every muscles na nagtatrabaho, maraming calories yun nagbo-burn. So it would enhance your burning capacity of your body. Yun.
Okay. Of course, a lot of people want nice abs, okay? And often they start out with big stomachs or whatever. No? So how difficult is it to acquire nice abs? I mean, how much work does that take?
It's not difficult. Kailangan lang talaga ng disiplina. Getting a six-packs is basically kailangan galing sa kitchen. Hindi yung pag-exercise. Exercise ka ng exercise yan, kain ka pa rin ng kain, hindi pa nilalabas yung six-packs.
Okay.
Kasi yung sa tiyan natin, everybody has six-packs. That's what you call the rectus abdominis, no? So, ang problema kasi doon, sa mga kinakain natin,
natatakpan yung six-packs.
Ng fats.
Okay.
So unless nandun pa rin yung fats sa abs mo, hindi mo pa rin mapapakita yung abs mo, yung six-packs mo.
Okay, okay, granted, okay, sige, nagdidieta na yung tao, may commitment na siya doon. Of course, that's not enough. Ang sinasabi mo, para ma-enhance yung ganda ng katawan, ay anong pinaka-basic exercise? Is it possible for you to show?
Yeah.
Ano bang, may pwede ba nating, kasi so yung crunches, hindi yon.
Crunches is basically to strengthen it. To strengthen your abdominal
Walang
muscles.
aesthetic aim yun.
Wala. So yun na nga, one of the perfect exercise that I usually do is what you called the dead bugs. Yun yung lahat ng mga muscles sa abs mo, ginagamit mo talaga when you do this.
Okay, we have a little space here,
Okay.
no? Sa harap ng,
Okay, this is what you call the dead bug. So this is considered to be one of the most important na pinaka-effective na ab exercises. So all you gotta do, guys, is to bring your arms and legs up. Okay? You start by bringing your right arm and your right leg down with your left arm back. So gawin nyo muna mabagal. Everything here. So by doing this, lahat ng mga muscles ng katawan mo nagtatrabaho. Ang abs mo, every muscles in your abs, your obliques, your rectus abdominis, pati yung muscles sa likod, nagtatrabaho din siya. So try to do this as much as you can, guys. And be sure that you are pulling your navel to your spine when you do this. Okay? And here. That's
and
it.
anyone can do that.
Anybody can do that. Yeah.
So it's
anyone can
easier
do
than
that.
push-ups, sit-ups, kasi yun talaga kailangan medyo may strength na.
Anybody can do that. Pero yun, that's basically one of the most effective exercise. Pero kung ganun lang, yun
Kung
ang
everyday gawin mo yun, kunyari, people want to do that every day, they will see an effect.
Engage. Yeah, you will see an effect. Pero
how many minutes a day?
nire-recommend ko kasi siguro mga 2 sets of 50 repetitions. So mga 100 na yun. Madali lang
100 per
yun,
day.
It's not as hard as what you think, guys. It's really easy. Kasi yung 1 repetition is
What do you call that?
switching
Ang
one
tawag
side.
dyan?
It's called the dead bugs.
Dead
Parang
bugs.
patay na bug.
Okay, so in other words, yung formula mo, lots more fruits and vegetables
80%.
plus daily dead bugs, 100 repetitions per day equals nicer abs.
Nicer abs, yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Any faddish diets we can look forward to in 2030? Do you believe in these? Yung mga,
I don't believe on those,
yung
So
mga,
you have
ano yun, yung Miami, ano ba? Kung
yun,
ba yung Miami
South Beach
diet,
diet
South
and
Beach
all that.
diet.
No. I don't believe on those, kasi if you have to really try it healthy talaga, yung diet mo, na kailangan talaga na you have to find a diet that you could think that you could possibly do it for the rest of your life.
So so in other words, basic principle, eat less and then more fruits and vegetables.
Okay, ito na lang, ha? Every time you put something on your plate, kailangan 80% fruits and vegetables, 20% will be your healthy fats and healthy protein.
Which is pwedeng pork, beef, chicken.
Pwede naman siya as long as it's lean cuts,
Lean cuts.
Yung lean cuts na...
So iwasan na yung mga taba.
Iwasan talaga yung mga taba. Yun lang yun.
Okay. Good advice for the new year.
Yeah.
Maraming salamat, John Kwai.